ya gatano ya icera riake gitaro-ini gia ithwiro ria bururi. President William Ruto ni ageire na giikaro na anyitite mi sector-ini ya urimi mwena uyu rodo mwena kuruguria tabarira ngurani cia uthii wa na mbere kaunti-ini ya Kakamega.
Na president ili tupate maendeleo.
Akiaria thingira-ini munini wa iregi kaunti-ini ino, Ruto nierumite KINI ati haro ya kuhitana na ungumania ndiguthiraga yatira na ati gutire kindu undu kana mundu ukureko aingirire haro-ini ino.
We cannot continue to entertain corruption, wastage and theft in whatever name. We cannot continue to entertain. We need to have a break. And the corrupt, those who are used to stealing public resources, those who use politics to protect thieves and the corrupt, those who have big friends in big places, I want to announce that their time is up.
President nierutite mukana kuri andu aria makoretwo makiingirio UTETI thiini wa haro ya ungumania, akiuga ati ino ni ndamathi ikoretwo ihinyiriirie AKENYA na gikiro kinene.
The corrupt, the thieves, the people who steal from the people of Kenya, the people who steal the future of our children, they must leave Kenya, or they will go to jail, or they have the option of going to heaven. Wajipange namna hiyo.
Mĩario ĩno ya president yũkĩte thikũ nini thutha wake kũheana mũkana mũhiũ kũrĩ tũrĩa sector-inĩ ya cukari. Mĩario ĩrĩa yonekanire gũkĩrĩrwo makĩria nĩ atongoria a mũng'ethanĩro, no president augĩte nĩ nginyagia thirikari yake ĩngĩkore wothe ĩngĩhota kwarahũra rũhonge rwa cukari bũrũri-inĩ.
And it is not a threat. Nasikia watu wengine wanasema nimethreaten mtu I have not threatened anybody. It is the truth and it is an option. And I'm not threatening anybody. It is what we will do. So it's not a threat. Msifikiri ati ni kutisha watu. Hakuna kutisha. Wezi na wakora na wale wanataka kuendeshana na mambo ya ufisadi watahama Kenya.
President ningĩ nĩeranĩire gũtigĩrĩra arĩmi nĩ magunĩka na ũrĩmi wao na njĩra ya gũtigĩrĩra thoko ya indo iria mararĩma nĩ ironekana.
Sehemu kubwa ya hiyo soko, nataka mnisikize vizuri, sehemu kubwa ya hiyo soko nyinyi watu wa Western Kenya munaweza kusupply. Hiyo 540 billion, half of it can come to Western Kenya. Itakuwa ni pesa mnapata kila mwaka.
Uteti wa gĩtaro gĩkĩ ndũnaga kwĩyumĩria, atongoria matiganĩte makĩũria mũingĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kũnyitana na thirikari harĩ kũrehe ũthii wa na mbere mwena ũyũ.
We must look to the future. You can never make progress if you drive with your eyes glued in the rear view mirror.
Tumeamua ya kwamba Western region is united mia kwa mia in supporting your administration.
Thank you so much for making it possible for us as leaders kutoka Western to sit under one roof and talk. Ikikuja tukifanya hivyo mambo ya economy, mambo ya politics pia najua we shall align ourselves na tutaangalia mahali tunaweza kupata development.
So nyinyi mkipotea pande nyingine ambapo hakuna kitu, you will only have yourselves to blame.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Kimani wa Gũnjiri.
Uhakikisha ya kwamba